Check this out. Today we're here to test out different pellets into a book to see which penetrating rounds are the best of these ones I'm showing. We got the Gamo Redfires, we got the Gamo Blue Bombers, Gamo Rockets, the Achilles made by Harpex, and then just for comparison, a regular Crossman hollow point. We got this thick hardback book. We're not shooting for groups today. We just want to see which pellet will make it furthest into the book. I'll shoot one pellet each, not necessarily into the target, but somewhere under the book. And we'll check and see which one penetrates the deepest. Very first one is going to be the Gamo Redfires. We'll start up here at the top left. There's our hit from the Redfires. Obviously did not make it through the book, but how far did it go? Looks like it made it to page 316. It ripped paper past that, but the pellet is at page 316. Next up is going to be the Gamo Blue Bombers. I imagine it's going to be pretty similar results to the Redfire, being they're the same grain weight, and the same company, and the same pellet, just with a blue tip. We're going to get right beside the other one. Right there. No pass-through. It's a pretty thick book too, guys. That's probably 2 inches thick, I'd say. Maybe 1 3/4 inches. We're sitting at page 302. They're going to be plus or minus 5 pages, depending on how it comes apart when I pull it apart, but pretty similar. Next, we will do the Gamo Rockets. Came close to just coming down that edge. Ooh, I can already tell you. Well, right there it is. That's pretty much page 302 again. Very similar to the Redfires and the Gamo Blue Bombers. Next we'll do the Achilles. If you've seen my other video before, these things are trash. Actually hit where I was aiming, that's a surprise. You hit right there, and to me, it looks like I hit and tumbled sideways. But the book will tell us. And looks like we were only page like 268 there before it fell out. And then we'll compare a hollow point, because you know hollow point's supposed to dump all its energy right up front for max cavitation. So we'll see if that's true on a book. So we got about dead center. Actually, I'm shooting the book backwards, so we gotta go backwards on pages. Right there. Page 215. If you guys want to see the expansion, this was the Redfire. That was the Blue Bomber. This was very obvious to tell. That was the Gamo Rocket. This was the Crossman hollow point. The Harpex I could not recover. I dropped it when I was opening the book and I could not find it. If you liked today's video, please consider subscribing. The channel's dying. We need your help. Have a good day.